Howdy partner, this is Cattleman Cowboy Caleb from Sandbaggy, and I'm here to talk to you about 4-inch staples. These Sandbaggy staples are engineered to be sharp like a knife blade, which means they require almost no effort when you're putting them into the ground. That means you'll have more time to relax and live your best life. They're great for installing in hard and rocky soil, and the tough 11-gauge steel reduces the likelihood of it bending during installation. The steel is galvanized, so the staples won't rust, no matter the weather. And they're great for securing landscaping fabric, bird net and drip irrigation, and many more applications. These babies are packaged 100 per bag, so you get the best bang for your buck. So don't buy 14-gauge staples from Home Depot that are more expensive and end up paying the shirt off your back. Really, guys? That was my favorite shirt! Instead, buy from Sandbaggy. Our staples are 50% thicker, they don't rust, and they're cheaper. This is a no-brainer. Sandbaggy is the #1 best-selling landscaping staples on the internet. Whoo, that feels good! Our staples can be seen in national parks, airports, job sites, and homes across this great country.